Hi, I'm Robbie. I'm going to show you a project I've been working on called DALI with my co-founder Dave. You'll meet Dave later on in the video. So DALI is basically a platform that we built on top of the XRP Ledger. The idea is that you can easily upload a project you've been working on and monetize it. So there's two examples we've got here. And this is the one that we're going to look at. So we set ourselves a challenge this weekend. Can we build something using DALI and the XRP Ledger in a couple of days? So I'm just going to click so you can see some information about this. So you'll see here there's some documentation. This is just the model that we've used. You'll see more details about that when we demo the project. And then there's some basic information, including an endpoint URL, which you can actually hit with an input and it will give you an output. In this case, you give it text and it will return for you audio of the text being read out loud. So what's interesting about putting projects on our platform is that once it's up here, there is a corresponding NFT that gets created on the XRP Ledger. So you'll see here, there's this, we've embedded in the URI at the moment, just the UUID of our model. We just use the name for now. And the idea is that this NFT shows ownership of the model and any earnings that accrue when people run it. So we'll now move on to demonstrating the project. So I'll hand you over to Dave.
Hi, my name's Dave and I'm going to be talking you through the rest of our Devpost submission. So our submission consists of two parts. It consists of a DALI asset which we deployed into our DALI platform, and it also consists of our web app that we can see here, which is going to be used to access the services offered by the DALI asset. So first of all, I'm going to have to activate our application, which involves inputting these BIP39 sequence of words to activate the wallet. You can see our wallet's now loading, and once this is loaded, we're going to be able to run our DALI asset. So we can do this by inserting our text here for the words that we want to be converted, and we can click run. So we can see now that the inference has started running. So what's happening is that the web app is preparing a payment claim. It's
Ripple
then
is an excellent blockchain for payments.
You can see that the inference finished then. So the web app prepares a payment claim, submits it to DALI, and DALI cryptographically validates the payment claim, and then provides the result. So hopefully we'll hear that again.
Ripple is an excellent blockchain for payments.
And you can see that each time we run, the balance is decremented. So we'll now take a look at the source code that supports our Devpost submission. So in this repo we have our front end, which was developed in a framework called Flutter, which is useful for developing cross-platform GUIs. We're going to go inside this lib folder, which contains most of the meat of this project. So we've got a main.dart file, which contains the widgets that are used to construct the GUI. And we've also got this wallet.dart file, which is what we're going to be focusing on right now. So inside wallet.dart, we've got an import of xrpl.dart, which is a package that we've produced as well. This provides us with bindings to the XRPL JS libraries, which are useful for exposing the XRPL functionality that we need. If I scroll down a little bit, you can see we've got this class that we've created. So the purpose of this class is to expose functionality to create and fund XRPL wallets on the testnet. It also allows us to manage payment channels and create appropriate signatures for those and fund them as well. And it also allows us to inspect wallet state. And so this is the repository that supports our backend. So it's essentially just a model that's been taken from Hugging Face. And it's been wrapped in a Python script, which is using Fast API to expose it as an endpoint.